Well, welcome back to Just Drive It. As you can tell, we're back in the car again. What are we doing? Well, we spent yesterday getting rained out big time in a junkyard, so we're going back over today for parts and different other stuff, so come along with us as we show you what's going on. So now we're back in the junkyard. And as you can see, we're having some fun stuff going on. What are we doing? Well, what we were doing yesterday.
Out here in Idaho, doing a little car fishing. Oh, I got one! I got one! Oh, it's a Pontiac! Let it go! Let it go! Let it go!
And the reason we came out here is to look at this. So as you know, we have a 72 Ranchero we're working on. Well, here's our parts Ranchero. But dent, mangled, dent, really roach side, dent, yeah, that dented out too, dent, messed up over here too, there. Heck, even this thing right here, it's got Bondo in the front fender. So basically the body's shot. But what we do have is engine. There is a transmission. There's other parts. There's a good chassis. So, and the hood's got kinks in it, but we'll fix those for temporary use. It's also got a few other things like, well, it'll open, like a dash, gauges over there, other different stuff, wiring harnesses. So this is our parts car. Y'all know how much we spent on the one at Bear Rose's? $0. It was given to the boys. So at this point, this is actually costing us $300. And part of it we'll get back through scrap. But this is what we bought. It's got an engine transmission. It's got a drive shaft. It's got a 9-inch rear end on it. It's good to go. So here is the fun and games. This is the other vehicle we found. This is a Torino Sport. It's missing its spindles on this side, at least. It's missing the 9-inch. But what we did buy out of it is we're pulling the entire dash out with the wiring harness, the column out, the seats out, door cards, rear seat. That's all got to come out. We're taking that with us. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to take it with me because I'm just out of time. But yeah, they pulled everything out as far as the suspension. And we think that that modified is actually locked up. But that being said, we'll get some parts off of this thing and then hit the road. Okay, we were on a bit of a time crunch. We still are. And you can see we got most of the stuff out of here, but we had to stop. I'm out of breath because I just carried out that bumper, which I wish I could have gotten this one and some of the other stuff off of it, but I just don't have time. That being said, we got a good bumper off the yellow Torino that was over there. We got all that interior off of the 74 is over here. That's what it is, we know now. And now we got to hurry up, pay, and get back to the house because somebody's got to go to work. only have a rim and tire on this side of the car on the front. We went to a junkyard yesterday. As you can see, they're actually taking that tire off so we can get air in it. We were unable to move it before because we didn't have another rim. So we went to a junkyard.
Got a Chevy holding down the Ford.
Well, what do you get when you get a couple of guys who are known for doing stupid stuff? Well, you guessed it. We're trying to see if this thing will move over at all. So, first off, we're checking valves. It's not the greatest, but it's not bad. And I guess that one's stuck.
Whoa.
That one may be collapsed.
You don't really hit it, you just use the weight of the hammer to give it a little pop.
So that's where we're looking at. That's what we're doing. We probably shouldn't be, but heck, we're here. Might as well.
What are we gonna do? Break something that's broken?
No, that's so that valve's good.
One that's a big move.
Both of those though are
You hear that sound?
suspect.
That's the spring snapping back.
So we got a couple we're going to have to take out. We got to see if we got collapsed lifters there.
That one's a little.
We'll see what it looks like.
Oh, she was over revved.
She was over revved.
Yep.
So we done. So we ain't gonna do it for him. He's gonna have to do it himself.
Hasn't quite got 38 years before I was there.
Oh yeah, there's some rust in there. Looky there. It's had some moisture.
Hey, remember how I showed you how to check the valves?
Not really, but like.
Set it in there and just use the right there. You hear that sound?
That's good.
There you go.
That's a good one.
There you go.
That one.
Ooh, that sounded solid. Oh, that one's springing back. That one's good.
All the back ones are flat. That one's stuck.
That one's stuck.
Yeah.
Yes.
That one's stuck, and it's also.
Oh, careful! Don't hit that side. Well, that's this thing.
Yep.
Get about-
Well, there we go.